Hi everyone, welcome to Bleulotus.gardens, my YouTube channel. Here is where I discuss different plant topics, design with me, repotting. Today I am going to discuss with you on how to do proper cactus care and also on my designs. I am currently working on a design for a friend and thought I should show y'all. Okay, so currently I just received my little cactus that I ordered for this special little design that I'm doing for my friend. I currently don't have any cactuses, and so I decided to stock up on cactuses by supporting an individual seller. So I got 3 little cactuses. There's this one and a couple other ones. So first we're going to talk about drainage, which is very, very, very important. Sometimes your pieces don't have drainage and you don't want to break them and cause further damage to the bowls. I found this one in a little vintage shop and thought it would be really cute for a little design. In the bottom you see I have charcoal. I'm working with charcoal, currently testing it out, seeing how it works. My Birkins like it. I just repotted some Birkins and they just love it. And also I got this tip from another designer at Jackson's Home and Garden. It's located over here in Oak Lawn on Lemon Avenue. It's super cool. It feels just like home to me. So many lush tropical plants. Okay, so you see how I have a quarter of charcoal in here and no drainage hole. This is too pretty and I am not gonna drill a hole in this, so we're gonna figure it out. And I'm also gonna help my friend that on how to do watering and how to care for it. Alright, so first we're gonna need our gloves. They have to be blue gloves. Wait, they have to be blue gloves. I did not mean on it, but ever since I chose name Bleu for myself, everything has just become blue. So here we are. Alright, it's kind of like the same with other repots. You know, we're gonna just twist around and make sure they're not going to damage themselves. Alright. And then we're going to hold it on the top. That root system is very, very fragile, so you want to be very fragile with it as well. But you want to maintain a good grip on him because you're gonna need it. Alright, so I'm actually gonna take some of this charcoal out. Probably like a little bit. Thought I needed all that. Snip. Okay. So actually I ended up taking some out and it looks like this. So we're working with that because of the size of the soil and the root ball, and you don't want to distress the root ball right now for the cactus. It'll die. So try to work it in as best as you can. I'm just wanting to take these gloves off. I don't work well with gloves. Let me touch my soil. I gotta see what I'm doing. Oh my god. Oh my god. Little guy. Okay. There we go. So I wanted him to sit like this. See how cute he looks? Just chilling. He's just straight up chilling. Just, hey, I'm here. I look good. Now put me in a bowl. And with the rest of the activated charcoal that I had for him, I'm going to place him around the root ball. This allows him to stabilize himself and also create a nice little drainage for him. Oop, Marley's saying hi to somebody. Who's out there? I gotta go see what she said, who it is. Be right back. Okay. So this is what I've come with so far. So I place an activated charcoal around it for drainage and also to stabilize it. I am going to put just a bit of soil on top to help it sit. All right. So I am putting about this much of soil on top of it, maybe less, just to give it that nice covering on top. Y'all are probably looking at me like I'm crazy because I don't have my gloves on now. It's okay. I'm a big boy. So for me to go in between I use a popsicle stick. A lot of people use chopsticks, I've noticed, but I use a popsicle stick. I don't know. I use the chopsticks to hold the plant when I'm traveling with the plant. If I'm going somewhere to deliver it, or if I can. Alright, folks. Here you have it. This cute little cactus designed by Bleu. Bleulotusgardens. Alright. Thank y'all for joining me on designing with me. I hope it was fun for y'all as much as it was for me. Y'all have a great day. Stay safe out there and stay golden. Bye, plant fam. Hi everyone. Okay, so cactus care for this little guy. In the growing seasons for cactuses indoors, you want to water your cactus about every 10 to 14 days. You want to give a good watering. And in the dormant season, which is the winter time, you want to water less. The golden rule is you want to check the topsoil for it to be dry, like completely dry. I always like to do a 3-second rule when watering. Water around 3 seconds, step back, let it soak in. As you see it soak in, you know how much water is now being retained inside your plant. You'll also want to let the soil just dry out between every watering, ensuring that the plant is fully dried out. They come from a desert area, so providing that desert environment is important to them. I hope that has helped you all. Subscribe if you like my channel, and you'll see more content. Thank you.